stepdad. Say hi. Your mom.
Get out of here.
But I found an interesting musical instrument. Listen, listen. It's interesting. Yeah. That was pretty much all I wanted to show you.